Cannot send messages due to privacy settings. Have you ever faced this problem on TikTok? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain you what you can't send messages due to privacy settings means and how you can solve it. Sometimes if you go to TikTok and try to text anyone, you will get a text that cannot send messages due to this user's privacy settings. Well, if you are unable to send messages on TikTok due to privacy settings, it means that the user you are trying to message has their account privacy settings set to only allow messages from their friends or followers. In this case, you'll need to be able to follow them or send a friend request to them in order to be able to send them a message. To follow a user, you can simply click on the follow button that you can find on the profile. It's also possible that the user has disabled messages entirely in their privacy settings, like you can see here on the screen. I followed this person and this person follows me back, but I can't send messages due to their privacy settings. It means that the user has disabled messages entirely in their privacy settings, in which case you will not be able to send them a message at all. In this case, you can try reaching out to them through other means such as commenting on the videos or sending them a message on another social media platform if you have their contact information. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.